Good morning. I am Francis Araway Espanola and I am a recent graduate with a degree of Business Administration majoring Human Resources. During my studies, I developed a deep passion for understanding and managing the most valuable asset in any organization, its people. My academic background combined with practical experiences has equipped me with the skills and mindset to contribute meaningfully to a dynamic and thriving organization like your company. My academic focus on human resources has equipped me with knowledge in areas like recruitment and selection, employee development, performance management, and labor relations. I also gained practical experiences during internship, volunteer work, part-time job, and I also receive a lot of certificates from seminar workshop I attended. My strength lies in my ability to balance empathy with strategy, ensuring that HR practices align with business goals while fostering a positive workplace culture. I'm proficient in tools or software like the HRIS or the HR information system like Workday or SAP, as well as data analytic tools like Excel and Google Data Studio, which allows me to analyze workforce trends and design evidence-based solutions. What makes me an asset to your company is my ability to connect with people while maintaining a strategic outlook. I'm not focused on processes, but also on building a workplace culture that fosters engagement and productivity. I am passionate about optimizing processes while prioritizing employee engagement and satisfaction. I am excited about the opportunity to bring fresh perspective and energy to your company and contributed to its legacy of excellence. I'd love to discuss how my skills and experiences align with your goals and explore ways to drive innovation within your HR team. Thank you for considering my application and I look forward to the possibility of working together.